Hello my friends, and welcome to today's episode of The Canned Cook. Today in my kitchen we're going to be doing something a little different. Today I will be showing you some of the appetizers that I will be putting together for the celebration that we will be hosting. So for the two appetizer dishes that I'll be making, I'll be doing a stuffed pepper dish as well as some pigs in a blanket, because of course can't have a party without some pigs in a blanket. For the stuffed peppers, I'll be using some mini sweet peppers instead of the larger bell peppers. That way they're nice and bite-sized and can be little finger foods for the get-together. We will start off by sauteing some rice, some onions. I like to do that with a little bit of butter, that way it gives it a little bit more flavor. Be adding in our canned goods, which are going to be diced tomatoes, corn, black beans. Be adding some vegetable broth, letting that cook for about 20 minutes, also putting some green onion in there as well. Then once that's cooked, we'll add the cheese, which I'm going to use the Mexican 4-cheese blend on that. And then we will slice these little bell peppers in half, stuff them with this mix, and bake them for about 30 minutes. And when we take them out, I'll add a little bit of cilantro on top, and those will be ready to go. For the pigs in a blanket, it's going to be super simple. We're going to use some Pillsbury crescent rolls, which we're going to cut each triangle into 3 smaller triangles, and then use those to roll up our little smokies. We'll be putting them in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. Take them out, a little bit of parsley on top, a little garnishing, never hurt. Looking forward to showing you what a typical night hostessing a party looks like for me. I love throwing parties and get-togethers, and there will be many more of these episodes to come. All right, let's get cooking. Bye.